Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through. I'll give you a step-by-step guide on how to add a Tesco club card to Apple Wallet. Now, this is via email. As you know, before you can do this, you need to have a Tesco club card account. You need to have an Apple device like iPhone, Apple Watch, iPad or Mac with Apple Wallet enabled, then an iOS 11.2 or later. Your Apple device needs to be running iOS 11.2 or later. Now let's get to these steps properly. If you're doing this by email, the first thing you need to do is check your email inbox for an email from Tesco with this subject: add your club card to Apple Wallet. Then open the email and tap on add to Apple Wallet button. Then follow the prompts to authenticate and add your Tesco club card to Apple Wallet. That's it. With these steps, you should be able to add your Tesco club card to Apple Wallet. If you encounter any issues, you can contact Tesco or Apple support for assistance.